guys, what's up and welcome back. This morning I hit up the Dollar Tree and I wanted to share with you everything I got. I got a good old bag of goodies. I'm totally impressed with the Dollar Tree. Like last year it was fun, but like I wasn't super impressed with what the Dollar Tree had to offer. I don't know if it's like just my area or not, but this year, like holy guacamole, like I'm so happy with everything I got. So I definitely want to share everything that I got. Like I said, I got quite a few, so let's just jump into it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see any others like hauls or shop with me's, let me know. I'm thinking about doing the store at home, or I'm thinking about doing home goods. Let me know if you're interested in either one of those, but for the time being, let's just jump into it. So originally, I was going to do a Dollar Tree and a Target dollar spot. I don't know where y'all going for Target, but like the Targets that I have here are like the dollar spots were just totally picked over. There was literally nothing left. Like it just wasn't, it wasn't fun. And then I wanted to do like a shop with me because I've never done a shop with me at Dollar Tree, but like the Dollar Tree and I just don't have a good relationship when it comes to shop with me's. My Dollar Tree is usually always busy, so it's extremely hard to like get a camera in there, but that's okay, whatever. Let's just jump into it. I have so much good stuff, so yeah. So the first thing I got is actually a hot cup, like a coffee cup, and it says, "The leaves are falling, so autumn is calling." Oh. And I was actually looking for a new like tumbler or like a coffee cup. I'm using a Starbucks one right now, but it's holiday themed. Like it has like frosted cranberries all over it, so it's not really fall themed. So I picked this one up. They had a bunch of like different ones. They had like ones that say like gathering and like blessed and thankful and stuff like that, but I decided to go with this bright red one, and I like that it says, I like the little saying on it. Next up I have this little cardboard kind of little sign, and it says "Hello Fall." Seriously guys, you guys are going to be impressed. Like the Dollar Tree like stepped up their game this year. Oh my goodness. So it's just kind of like a little, it's not flimsy at all though, but it is like a thin piece of like cardboard, and like I said, it just says "Hello Fall." So I'm gonna put this in one of the bedrooms. I don't really know, like I haven't finished decorating the house yet, so I'm probably just gonna like move things around for a while and see where I like things, but I definitely thought that this was super cute. So not really decor, but still fun. I picked up this like painted turkey paint set for Ev. I think this would just be like a fun like little fall kind of activity to do. It was $1. They have like pumpkins and like cornucopias and stuff like that, but I decided on good old Tom turkey. So next, I'm actually probably the most excited about this. This is a pumpkin decorating kit. It makes 4 pumpkins. So it has 36 felt pieces, 8 pipe cleaners, and I guess that's it. But you can like make all different types of pumpkins with it. I hope you guys, like I hope my camera is focusing on this, but you can make like a cat and like a skull and crossbones or whatever. And I just thought that this was really cool. I assume that you just kind of like stick these on, like you glue them on. I don't know how you glue them on, but you get like a bunch of stuff in here, and I just, whoops, and I just thought it was cute to have like all these kind of options, so maybe Ev can like do this with her friends or something. I got another kind of like happy fall, like happy harvest sort of like home decor thing. It's a little scarecrow, and he says happy harvest. He's like a door hanger or just something you would hang up. I don't know where I'm gonna put this little guy, but I think he's cute. I like to kind of decorate all the doors, so maybe I'll put this on like Ev's door or like the playroom. If I can like fit it around a door handle, I don't know if I'm gonna be able, I think I could. Maybe I'll put this as like a door knocker sort of thing. But I thought he was cute. They had a bunch of different styles too. Actually, a lot of these, they had a lot of different colorings and a lot of different styles. So keep that in mind if you do go to Dollar Tree. That just like what I'm showing you, like they had like 5 or 6 different varieties of this kind of decoration. And they had, like they didn't all say happy harvest. They said, you know, like thankful, blessed, gathering, like that sort of thing. So I liked this guy. He's again kind of like cardboard, but again, I don't mind, like, and I don't have to worry about if anything happens to him. he was $1. So another piece of, again, a random decor that I have no idea what I'm gonna do with. I got a 4-piece like mini pumpkin set, and they are purple like glittery pieces with like orange stripes in them. I think this would be more like a Halloween decoration versus like a Thanksgiving or just like a fall decoration. My phone's ringing. Oh, nobody important. But either way, again, this was $1, and I thought it was cute that I got 4 in a package. So maybe I'll put like some on Ev's bureau, and I'll put like one in our bedroom. I can kind of like space them out. And I just thought that they were like, it's a fun kind of different color scheme. Like usually for the fall, you see a lot of like oranges and reds. But I have to be honest with you guys, this year I'm not seeing a whole lot of like purples. And I was really happy to see this, to be honest. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but I'll figure out something. So next up is going to be a controversial decor. I know it is. If you guys watch my cleaning videos, which I'm assuming you guys have, I have a Christmas tree in my kitchen. It's this little tiny Christmas tree that I got for $8 last year around the holiday season, and I've left it up all year. Now, I get an irrational amount of hate because of that Christmas tree. Like, people are legitimately angry that I've left a Christmas tree up all year round. So I'm just gonna like take the time to address that. So I love that Christmas tree. I've been pretty lazy with it recently, but I try to like kind of decorate it seasonally, and I kind of like decorate that corner of my kitchen seasonally. And I just love Christmas tree lighting, and essentially like that's why I leave it up, because like that's like my favorite lighting in the entire world is like a dark room with like Christmas lights, or I just love that lighting and I love that whole aesthetic. So that's why I'm choosing to leave it up, but I do want to decorate it when, you know, like especially now, like going into the fall and going into like definitely for the holidays, I will decorate it. But for the fall, I bought some felt clothespins, and they're actually like little autumn leaves. So you get 6 clothespins in a pack. You get yellow, orange, and red. I bought 2, so I have 12 altogether. So I'm just gonna like clip these all over the tree so it looks like, again, some people are gonna think it's stupid. That's fine. I love my Christmas tree. I'm not taking it down. And I just think it would be fun to kind of throw these on it and make it a little bit like fall. I love this little guy. Like, I can't believe I found him at the Dollar Tree. I found this little tiny scarecrow. He stands up by himself. I don't know if he's gonna stand up on my hand, but yeah. And he's so cute, and I couldn't believe that he was $1. I like that. So like, he doesn't have any stuffing, like it's just fabric. And I think it's just like a wooden stick with like a little tiny like piece of foam in him. But I love this little guy, and they had a bunch of different colors of him as well. So I picked green again because I don't really see a lot of different colors this year. Maybe I'm looking in the wrong places, but where I've been shopping, there hasn't been really any other like different color schemes. It's just been like red and orange. So I was excited to see a green scarecrow. I hadn't seen that before. So, but like I said, they do have like the regular ones too, like red and oranges, but I picked up green because I think that it's just different and fun. I have no idea where I'm gonna put him, but he's really cute. I think I might go back for another one, to be honest. And he was only $1. I can't believe that this is $1. Like, that's crazy to me, but he's really cute. So I'm happy to have him part of my home. Oh, we should name him. Let's think of a name for this little guy. So lastly, but these are probably the things that I'm most excited about, like oddly enough, and let me know if you guys have had experiences with these. So I have never, ever, ever bought candles from the Dollar Tree. I don't know why, but I guess I was just kind of under the impression that like they wouldn't be good, but I don't know why I ever felt that way. So the Dollar Tree came out with a bunch of like fall scented candles. So I have spiced pumpkin, and they're little tiny ones. They're only 3 ounces. I have spiced pumpkin. I have fall leaves, and I bought warm maple syrup. So these have an extremely strong, like, just like a air smell. Like when you open these candles, it's like, holy guacamole. So this one just smells like exactly like maple syrup, like just like pancakes or something. Like not any cinnamon in it or anything like that, just like pancakes. Fall leaves, I honestly don't know how to describe this. It does smell like a Bath & Body Works candle, but I can't tell you what Bath & Body Works candle it smells like. There's definitely some balsam in here. I wish like they gave a description, but they don't. But this one smells really good. I love candles. I mean, I love regular like fall candles, but I love fall candles that aren't super fall. Like sometimes I kind of get tired of like cinnamon and like crisp morning air. Like sometimes I get tired of like the traditional fall scents, and I like candles that like mix it up while still being fall. So I want to say that this one smells like apples and like balsam. It smells really good though. So I'm excited for this one. And then spiced pumpkin smells like literally every other spiced pumpkin candle on the market. Like super, like it smells like cinnamon, it smells like pumpkin. I'm all about it. It reminds me of like a pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks. That's what this smells like. So I'm super excited about these. These were a steal, and I love all the scents, and I really hope that they work. A lot of candles, like a lot of cheaper candles, and even some of the Bath & Body Works candles, they smell great when they're like not lit, like just like the jar smell. And then once you light them, there's no fragrance at all or very little. So I'm really hoping that that is not the case. I really liked these. I think that these were a steal for $1. Like I'm all about it. So like I said, I got fall leaves, spiced pumpkin, and warm maple syrup. That is all I have for you guys from the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been so long since I've like sat down and talked to you guys and like not filmed a cleaning video, so I was real happy to bring this video to you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Definitely hit up the Dollar Tree. Let me know if you guys find anything different or exciting. I do think that certain Dollar Trees like vary on location. I have 3 Dollar Trees next to me, and they usually carry like all different things. So let me know what you guys are finding. If it's fun stuff, definitely let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Seriously, it feels real good to like sit down and talk to you guys. And let me know if you want any other type of like shop with me. I think I might do like a Home Goods because that's a nationwide chain, but let me know. And then real quick before I go, I do want to talk about my makeup. I know that has nothing to do with the Dollar Tree, but that's why I saved it for the end of the video. I know my makeup's a little crazy today, but I haven't put on makeup in such a long time, like truly, and I like forgot how to make up, and like my eyes went crazy like real fast. So, but I like it, and it is giving me like some major fall vibes. So real quick, on my lips actually is the Almay, I don't know what this is called. Like I bought this because of the container. They're so cute. Just like the new Almay lipsticks. This is in the color Go Wild, and I think that it's like the perfect nude, like at least for me it is. And I really like this formula. Like obviously it's not super long wearing, but it's super moisturizing and it doesn't dry out your lips at all, and I'm totally enjoying this. And then just real quick on my eyes, I'm wearing the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. I have this color like all over my crease and like the outer corner of my eye. I have this color all over my lid, like all over. And then I put this color, I put way too much of this color on, which is why I kind of got like this blown out like orange look. But that color to me is such like a beautiful like fall color, and like just this eye look in general is just like screaming fall to me. But I put way too much of this on. I put this on my lower lash line, my outer corner, and then up into the crease, but I brought it too like far into like the inner corner, so it just got crazy. And then I took this color and I just patted it on like the inner corner to kind of like help like conceal that like burnt orange color. But you can tell like this eye is definitely like things are not even. Like I said, I definitely forgot how to make up. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I cannot believe how many new subscribers I got in the month of August. I think I got 450 new friends in August. So what is up? Like welcome to the channel. I'm super excited that it is fall, and fall is like just my favorite time of year, and I'm excited to bring you guys like a lot of fun content for fall. Yeah, I'm excited. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me guys. I love you from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.